Hey everyone, Pearl here again with an update and of course a little Q&A about the challenge that we got going on this week. Okay, so we are doing the 1 week challenge of intermittent fasting. So if this is your first time you're watching my video, please feel free to like and subscribe. Please comment below at the bottom of the video. You'll see there's a comment section. Ask any further questions, etc., etc. But like and subscribe firstly. Okay. First question that came up, and I think a lot of ladies were asking me this privately, was what is the 16-8? All right, 16-8 is simple. It's 16 hours of fasting, so no eating for 16 hours and 8 hours of eating. Now let's just clear up this no eating situation. No eating means no eating. You are allowed to have coffee, black coffee preferably. I'm not big on black coffee. I can't do it. So I will do it with a low-fat milk or a low percent 2% fat milk or fat-free milk. I do that. You can take the choice of having no milk and just doing the black coffee thing. It is absolutely better for you. No sugar. The other thing you can do is all your herbal teas. Drink as many herbal teas as you like. Fantastic. Have that during your fasting period. And most important, lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of water, people, during this time. Very important. Okay. During the 8 hours of eating, of course, we're going to be fasting. Well, I'd like you to start at 8 o'clock at night, finishing at 12 o'clock in the morning. So every single day, you'll be eating between 12 o'clock midday to 8 o'clock at night. This is very important. Now, why do we need to fast exactly for 16 hours? All right. Intermittent fasting shows, and if you look at other videos from other makers, intermittent fasting between the hours of 8 and 12, our insulin level drops. Now remember I spoke about that insulin level is a very, very important aspect because insulin is where the glucose and sugar is stored. So we want that to go down, and the reason we want that to go down is because we want our bodies to start using fat stores. Once the insulin level is low, then our body goes, hold on a second, I need energy. Where am I going to get this energy from? We're going to get it from the fat stores in our body. And that's how we're going to get the weight loss or get down the centimeter loss within the whole fasting session. All right, now there are two hormones that are very important for weight loss, and that is the human growth hormone. Now guys, this is an important one because this is our fat burning hormone, this is our muscle building hormone, and most importantly for all of us is our anti-aging hormone. We want this hormone to be strong in our bodies. Every time we eat, remember I spoke to you about we need to watch what we're eating, be very mindful. Let's talk about one very important question. I think Penny asked it, is metabolism. Now, intermittent fasting is very good for metabolism, okay? It is important because I just want to see, yes, I've researched this as well, and I found that during a lot of the research is that metabolism increases during the time of fasting by between 3 and 14%. And guys, we want our metabolism high, and why? Is because this is going to help us burn fat a lot faster. The other tips and things that were asked about was no binge eating. People, can they eat? What can they binge eat? No, intermittent fasting actually helps you to stop the binge eating. Between those 8 hours that you're eating, you will find by day 3 or 4, you don't even want to eat that much. You're not even that hungry. So between those 8 hours, make sure that you're eating mindfully and that is sorted out. The other thing that people were concerned about is what are they going to do when they're hungry or they're feeling? Take a walk the dog, go and make yourself busy. Don't think about food. Hunger is also a lot of times mental. So sometimes when you think about being hungry, you actually might be thirsty. Go and have that herbal tea. Go and drink that glass of water. That is definitely going to help during those periods. So guys, if there's any other questions about this, feel free to quickly ask me. Later on, we'll do a little more Q&A and I'll give you some food ideas. So this week, expect a lot more videos every day because we are focusing on a lot of the Q&As, and I don't want to spend hours and hours talking about different things. I want to focus on specific things. So enjoy this video and ask more questions. We'll chat later again. Ciao.